Once again to Great Online Tuition. In this short lesson, we want to solve x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. There are several ways we can solve this, but in this short lesson, we want to see how we can solve this quadratic equation by the factorization method. In order to do this, let us consider the general quadratic equation. So the general quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In using the factorization method, we need to consider the coefficient of the x squared and then the c. So what we do is that we find the product of a and c, and then that is the first step. The second step is to find the factors of the product AC such that the sum should be equal to the coefficient of the x, which is b. Okay, so once we have this, let's use this approach to solve this. Let me clean this. Okay, so in this case, our a is equal to 1, and then our c is equal to what? -5. So for the first step, our product AC will be 1 times -5, which gives us -5. Now to find the factors of -5 such that when we sum them up, we will get 4, we need to consider the factors. So if you consider -1 times +5, it gives us -5. Now, when we add -1 plus 5, it gives us 4. So then it means we will use -1 and then 5 as the factors. Good. So going on, we'll slot in our factors. So we have our x squared minus x plus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can factorize these terms. So in factorizing these terms, we can bring x out. We have x here minus 1. Then in factorizing this one here, the common factor there is 5. So plus 5, we have x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 5 and then x minus 1 is equal to 0. Good. At this juncture, we can apply what we call our zero product rule. So zero product rule says that if two numbers are multiplying each other and the answer is equal to 0, it is either one is 0 or the other is 0. So in applying here, we'll have either our x plus 5 is equal to 0, which implies our x is equal to -5, or we have our x minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies our x is equal to 1. So let's conclude here. Therefore, our x is equal to -5, or our x is equal to 1. That is all about it. Thank you for watching.